Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how, using our very own braiding hair, how we do lemonade braids with ombre on one of my beautiful clients who has alopecia in the front side of her head. Now, as you can see, she has beautiful, healthy hair, but the front side of her hair, she does have some spots that are balding. So we just gonna finesse her today. So I just want y'all to follow the video and like, comment, and subscribe and all of that stuff. And stay tuned. Okay guys, so as y'all can see, this is a part of her hair that's kind of, you can see the alopecia in the front. So in order for us to get the braids to connect so they don't separate too much, we'll stick these pieces of braiding hair out. So when we do our next braid and braid next to that braid, we'll just use that braiding hair that's sticking out to connect the braids together so they're not super spacious. So as you can see, we have those pieces out. We're just, as we braid down, because that area doesn't have much hair, that's going to be like our substitute for hair, and that's how you finesse this style on a client with alopecia. So just keep watching, and you'll see as she braids down. You see the client has hair right here, and anytime we start a bead-in, I like for us to start with the client's hair, just because it's less tension. And when you start with braiding hair, you're really pulling your client's hair out. So you know, you braid down some, and this client, her hair is kind of fine at the same time, so we really just want to be very careful where we add the hair. So as we're coming down, braiding downwards, we have enough hair to work with, because of course this is where her hair is more full. But as we get back down to that forehead, those pieces, the pieces of hair that are sticking out, that's what we're going to use as our, you know, hair that we grab, so the braids will not be flying away from one another. So you see, as she gets to that spot, she's going to grab that hair so they can connect. And the hair that she's leaving out is hair she's going to grab for the next braid. So just pay close attention, and boom. Now all those braids along her forehead, that's covering all her, you know, her spots with alopecia. So that's how you finesse your clients with alopecia, hunty. Here's another spot. Well, this whole side of her head, we're just going to be kind of doing some reconstruction here. So you see we have all these pieces that are sticking out because that's where she doesn't have much hair, and we want to make sure all these braids connect as though she got a full head of edges in the front. So boom, you coming back, grab that hair. And again, you do this because you want these braids to connect. You want them to connect, so you have to grab that braided hair. Boom. And then she has the other piece sticking out. So the next braid we put next to that braid will have something to grab and connect to. So it's all just a process. You just got to take your time and pay attention. And yeah, that's pretty much it. watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And I mean, if you're somebody that has clients with alopecia, or if you have alopecia, let your braider know this is how it needs to go. So you can wear braids, because sweetie, you can wear braids, okay? Thanks, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.